Beta exercise 1.1. So first question that is given, write the following quadratic equations in the standard form and point out the pure quadratic equation. As in the introduction I have told you that there are the two forms of the quadratic equation. The first one that is standard or general form, which is written in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Means it has the three terms 1, 2 and 3. That is the standard or pure form. And the second that is ax squared plus c is equal to 0, which is called the pure form of the quadratic equation. In pure form there are the two terms. Now the question which is given to us, that is the quadratic equation, we have to write the following quadratic equation as standard or pure quadratic equation. So first of all we have to solve the equation, and after that we will simplify. As the first part is given to you, x plus 7, that is x plus 7 into x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So beta, first of all we have to simplify it. So for simplification we will multiply them, x with x it will become x square, and then we will multiply this x with minus 3, so it will be minus 3x. Then plus 7 with x it will be plus 7x, plus minus minus 7 3s are 21, and this minus 7 we will take on this side, it will become plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we have to simplify it. It will be x square minus 3 plus 7, the answer will be plus 4x, minus 21 plus 7, the greater value that is 21, its sign is minus, so we will write it minus 21 minus 7, 14 is equal to 0. Now we can see that there are the three terms 1, 2 and 3. So it means if there are the three terms, so we will write it as the standard quadratic equation. So we will write here it is standard quadratic equation. It is standard quadratic equation. It is your answer. Now in second part, if you will see that the question is given, that is x square plus 4 over 3 minus x over 7 is equal to 1. In these type of questions, first of all we have to take the LCM. So beta, the LCM of 3 and 7, you will see the LCM of 3 and 7. So 3 1 is 3, 7 as it is, 7 1 is 7. So 3 7s are 21. So we will write here multiply by 21. So the whole equation will multiply by 21. So it is x square plus 4 over 3 minus 21 multiplied by x over 7 is equal to 21 multiplied by 1. The main purpose of this multiplication is to finish the fraction. So 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21. Now this 7 will multiply with these both values. It will become 7x square plus 7 4s are 28 minus 3 1 is 3x is equal to 21. So beta, after this we will see here it is 7x square minus 3x plus 28, we are arranging it, and this 21 when we will take on other side it will become minus 21 is equal to 0. Now 7x square minus 3x plus 28 minus 21 it will be plus 7 equal to 0. Again there are the three terms, so it means it is standard quadratic equation. It is standard quadratic equation. Now for the third part, the question is given x over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x is equal to 6. So beta, now we can see the denominator, that is x plus 1 and x. Whenever the denominator is given in the form of algebraic expression, then it means we have to multiply them. So beta, we will multiply the whole equation by x into x plus 1. So first value we will multiply by x into x plus 1. this value also will multiply by x into x plus 1, and this value also will multiply by x into x plus 1. So beta this x plus 1 will cancel with this, x will cancel with x. So now we multiply them, x multiplied by x square. Whenever the numbers are multiplied, we are adding their powers. We will add their powers. Its power was 1, its power was also 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So x multiplied by x square plus x plus 1 into x plus 1, it means it is x plus 1 whole square is equal to, we will multiply the 6x with both the values. 6x multiplied by x, it will be 6x square, then 6x multiplied by 1 plus 6x. Now we have to apply the formula here. So we will write this value x square as it is. Here we will apply the formula, which is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. We will implement this formula here. It will become x square plus square of 1 is 1 plus 2ab. It will be 2x is equal to 6x square plus 6x. Now we will simplify it. X square plus x square, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6x square plus 6x. Now the x square values are 2. One is 6x square and other is 2x square. So we will move towards the greater value. The greater value is 6x square. We will write it first. 6x square plus 6x. When we take this value on other side, we will change their signs. It will be minus 2x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 6x square minus 2x square, 4x square, 6x minus 2x plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. How many terms are here? 3 terms. So it means it is standard quadratic equation. Now to the next part, the fourth part is given to us, that is x plus 4 over x minus 2 minus x minus 2 over x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now the denominator, that is x into x minus 2, so we will multiply here, multiply by x into x minus 2. So when we multiply it by x into x minus 2, we will write here x into x minus 2 into x plus 4 over x minus 2, then minus x into x minus 2 multiply by this value x minus 2 over x plus 4 x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. We are writing here 0 because when we multiply x into x minus 1 with x minus 2 is 0, the answer will be 0. This x minus 2 will be cancelled with x minus 2. This x will be cancelled with x. Now we multiply this x with both the values, it will become x square plus 4x, then minus x minus 2, x minus 2, it means it is x minus 2 whole square, plus we will multiply them 4x square plus minus minus 4 2s are 8x is equal to 0. Now we will write it as it is x square plus 4x minus, due to minus we will open this square inside the bracket. Now we will apply the same formula here, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it will be x square plus square of 2, that is 4 minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4x. The remaining values as it is. Now we will open this bracket. Due to negative sign, the sign will be changed. It will become minus x square minus 4 plus 4x plus 4x square minus 8x is equal to 0. This x square will cancel with minus x square. Now we will find out the x square value, that is 4x square plus 4x plus 8x minus 8x, this minus 4 equal to 0, 8x will cancel with minus 8x, this 8x will cancel with minus 8x, so 4x here minus 4 is the remaining value. Now is there anything common in it? Yes, 4. So it will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this 4 is multiplying here. Then we take on other side, it will divide. So it will be x square minus 1 is equal to 0 by 4. X square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we can see that there are the two terms in the equation. So it is the pure form of quadratic equation. It is pure form of quadratic equation. For the fifth part, it is given that x plus 3 over x plus 4 minus x minus 5 over x is equal to 1. Now in the denominator the values are x into x plus 4. So we will write here multiply by x into x plus 4. So when we multiply this value with x into x plus 4 and again we multiply the same value with this term x into x plus 4 into x minus 5 over x is equal to 1 into x plus 4. Now x plus 4 will be cancelled with x plus 4 and x will cancel with x. This x will multiply with both the values, x multiplied by x square plus 3x minus, here we have to multiply them. Both are the different values in previous questions. Both were same, so making the square of the whole of the values are different. So I multiply this x with both, it will become x square minus 5x. This plus 4 will multiply, so it will become 4x plus minus minus for 5 are 20 is equal to x into x plus 4. 1 multiplied x, that is x. Now x square plus 3x minus x square minus 5 plus 4, the answer is minus x minus 20 is equal to, now better we multiply this x with both, it will become x square plus 4x. X square plus 4x. Now we will open the bracket. Due to the negative sign, the sign will be changed. It will become minus x square plus x plus 20 is equal to, take this value also on this side, it will become minus x square minus 4x is equal to 0. Now better x square will cancel with minus x square. The remaining is minus x square 3x plus x plus 4x and remaining is plus 20 is equal to 0. This minus 4x is also present, so minus x square plus 4x minus 4x plus 20 is equal to 0. This plus 4x will cancel with minus 4x. So the answer is minus x square plus 20 is equal to 0. If we want to make the x square value as positive, so we will take this value on the other side and it will become x square minus 20 is equal to 0. There are the two terms, so it means it is also the, here we will write it is pure form of quadratic equation. For the sixth part, it is given here x plus 1 over x plus 2 plus x plus 2 over x plus 3 is equal to 25 over 12. Now better in denominator the values are present x So we will multiply this time by 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 means by the values which are present in the denominator we have to multiply the whole equation by these values 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So we will write here 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 multiply by this value x plus 1 over x plus 2 and plus 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 multiply by this value x plus 2 over x plus 3 and 12 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 multiply by this value 25 over 12. Now x plus 2 will cancel with x plus 2, this x plus 3 will be cancelled with x plus 3, this 12 will be cancelled with 12. Now here the value that is 12 into x plus 3 into x plus 1 and here the value 12 into x plus 2 whole square. Because x plus 2 is present 2 times, so we will take the square of both the values. And here that is 25 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Now we have to multiply these two values, so we will write here 12 x with x square plus x multiplied by 1x, then 3 multiplied by x 3x plus 3 1 is 3. Here we have to open the formula, so a square means x square plus square of 2 that is 4, 2ab plus 4x is equal to 25. We will multiply these two, x with x square plus 3x plus 2x then plus 6. Now we have to simplify it. It will be 12 into x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 12 into x square plus 4x plus 4. We are arranging it is equal to 25. Simplified x square 3 plus 2 5x plus 6. Now we have to multiply 12 inside with these three values. It will become 12x square plus 12 for the 48x, 12 3s are 36 plus 12x square plus 12 for the 48x plus 12 for the 48 is equal to 25. X square plus 25 5s are 125x, 25 6s are 150. Now we have to simplify it. 12x square plus 12x square 24x square plus 48x plus 48x. So 48 plus 48 98 96x 36 plus 48. Now we have to add 36 plus 48. So its answer will be 84 is equal to 25x square plus 125x plus 150. Now among x square values 25x square and 24x square. 25 is greater, so it means we will take this value on the other side. So it will become 25x square plus 125x plus 150. When we take this value on the other side, it will become minus 24x square minus 96x minus 84 is equal to 0. Now we are moving towards the simplification. 25x square minus 24x square, it will be x square and plus 125x minus 96, it will be 29x, then plus 150 minus 84, so it will be plus 66 is equal to 0. Now there are the three terms, so we will write here it is standard quadratic equation. So it was our first question. There were the 6 parts of this question. So we have done this question. Inshallah, in next video we will solve the question number 2, which is related to factorization and the basic method of factorization. Inshallah, I will explain it to you, and then we will solve the question number 2 in next lecture.